Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about most important and repeated MCQs of Pak studies in Punjab Public Service Commission test. Before start the video, please subscribe this channel and like and share the video. Let's number 41. The Anjuman-e-Himayat-e-Islam was founded in 1884 with the objects. Answer is to defend Islam against the onslaughts of the missionaries and to provide vast term education along with religion's instruction. Number 42. Why Sayyid Amir Ali resigned from the Muslim League in 1930? Answer is the importance of the majority community should be accepted. Number 44. The second part of Act 1935 could not be put into practice because answer is the princely state refused to join the federation. Number 45. The provincial election under the Act of 1935 held in 1937 had the following results. Answer is by and large the Muslim League failed miserably in the contest. Number 46. Identify the correct statement in view of 1937 provincial election in Punjab. Answer is it captured only 2 provincial assembly seats. Number 47. Quaid-e-Azam in his presidential address on 25th session of the Muslim League at Lucknow on October 15, 1937 gave direction about. Answer is to remain lay out to the government. Number 48. Sindh Muslim League passed one of the following resolution in 1938. Answer is resolved to have division of India on the basis of two nation theory. Number 49. Quaid-e-Azam in an article in Time and Tide in 1937 mentioned that answer is Islam and Hinduism are incompatible. Number 50. The Muslim League resolution of divide and quiet in 1943 was against the movement of Quiet India proposed in 1942 by answer is Mr. Gandhi. Number 51. Gandhi Jinnah talks of 1944 failed due to answer is two nation theory. Number 52. The Shimla conference of 140 failed due to answer is demand by the Qaid to have all Muslim sets to be allocated to the Muslim League. Number 53. The result of election 1945 and 46 showed answer is the Muslim League captured all the reserved seats from the Muslim at the center. Number 54. The Muslim League rejected the cabinet mission plan on July 27, 1948 because of answer is Congress accepted only the long-term plan. Number 55. The interim government was formed in 1946. Who was the Prime Minister? Answer is Pandit Nehru. Number 56. Sir Cyril Radcliffe announced the Boundary Commission Award on August 17, 1947, which was basis due to whom? Answer is Lord Mountbatten. Number 57. Why Quaid-e-Azam launched Direct Action Day on August 16, 1946? Answer is to protect against breach of pledge by Viceroy Lord Wavell. Number 58. On January 17, 1923, an official reception was given to celebrate the honor of knighthood bestowed on Dr. Sheikh Muhammad Iqbal, the venue was? Answer is Lahore. Number 59. Mr. Gandhi re-announced his formal membership from the Congress in? Answer is 1946. Number 60. Quaid-e-Azam resigned from membership of Congress in? Answer is 1920. Number 61. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of Pakistan? Answer is F. M. Khan. Number 62. In the Second Constituent Assembly elected in 1955, the Muslim League formed a coalition government with? Answer is United Front. Number 63. Parity for representation was created by formation of one unit in West Pakistan in the year? Answer is 1955. Number 64. The Islamic Republic of Pakistan under the 1956 Constitution was to be headed by a president? Answer is the president had to be a Muslim. Number 65. About relationship between federal government and provinces under the 1956 Constitution, mention the correct relationship from the following. Answer is there were three lists of items: federal, provincial, and concurrent. Number 66. Under 1956 Constitution of Pakistan, Prime Minister? Answer is no condition or being a Muslim. Number 67. The concept of controlled democracy was propagated by President Sikandar Mirza. Answer is he forced Prime Minister Sohrawardi to resign due to his personal whims, even though he had political right to address the National Assembly. Number 68. Why President Sikandar Mirza imposed emergency and dissolved the assemblies on October 7, 1958? Answer is he had the apprehension that the newly elected assemblies under the 1956 Constitution may not vote to elect him and permanent president. Number 69. Name the first elected president of Pakistan. Answer is Ayub Khan. Number 70. According to the 1962 Constitution, in case the president resigned, who had to succeed him? Answer is the Speaker of the National Assembly. Number 71. Who was the first chairman Senate? Answer is Habibullah Khan. Number 72. The Awami League contested the 1970 elections on the basis of 6-point program for regional autonomy issued on February 12, 1965. Answer is the manifesto of party was against the spirit of legal framework order issued on March 20, 1970. Number 73. Who was the first Wafaki Motasib of Pakistan? Answer is Sardar Muhammad Iqbal. Number 74. Under which amendment in the 1973 Constitution quota system in services was extended for another 20 years? Answer is 16th. Number 75. Civilian martial law with President Zulfikar Ali Bhutto at the helm of affairs came to an end on? Answer is August 14, 1973. Number 76. President Ziaul Haq nominated Majlis-e-Shura Federal Council in 1981. Answer is it could make legislation. Number 77. The Federal Shariat Court was established in the year? Answer is 1980. Number 78. When was the Qisas and Diyat ordinance put into force? Answer is October 13, 1990. Number 79. When was the post of Chairman Joint Chief of Staff Committee created? Answer is October 24, 1949. Number 81. The President under the 1973 Constitution is elected. Answer is by two House of the Parliament and the four provincial assemblies. Number 82. The provision to have 20 reserved women seats in the National Assembly under the 1973 Constitution expired on holding general election in the year. Answer is October 1990. Number 83. In November 1996, President Farooq Laghari dismissed the Benazir government under Section 15A2B of 1973 Constitution. Reason for the action? Answer is allegation of corruption. Number 84. The only citizen of Pakistan who won the Nobel Prize? Answer is Dr. Abdul Salam. Number 85. Sasi Punnu is the known legend of? Answer is Punjabi. Number 86. Which is the highest peak of Himalaya range in Pakistan? Answer is Nanga Parbat. Number 87. Harappa was a center of? Answer is Indus Valley civilization. Number 88. Takht Bai, an ancient historical site, is located in? Answer is KPK. Number 89. Indicate the coldest city of Pakistan. Answer is Ziyarat. Number 90. Which country is situated in north of Pakistan? Answer is China. Number 91. Nanga Parbat is located in? Answer is Gilgit. Number 92. After agriculture is? It employs the largest number of laborers. Answer is finance and social services. Number 93. PTV started its transmission from? Answer is November 26, 1964. Number 94. Bulk of tobacco is produced in? Answer is KPK. Number 95. The largest gate field was discovered in? Answer is 1952. Number 96. The Council of Common Interest under the 1973 Constitution has to? Answer is make the Federation work successfully with emphasis on national integration. Number 97. The oldest oil well of Pakistan is situated in? Answer is Attak. Number 98. When were the citizens of FATA given the right to vote? Answer is 1997. Number 99. When Pakistan became member of the United Nations? Answer is September 30, 1947. Number 100. The share of agriculture sector in the GDP of Pakistan in approximately? Answer is 21%.